Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter your SIM card and memory card in your XIAOMI Mi 9. To do this operation, get the key to your hand and stick it in the little hole on the left side of your phone, like this. Remove this option, and as you see, we don't have any place for the memory card. There is only place for two SIM cards. So place it gently like this, and here you have a where is focus? I don't have focus. Oh yeah, focus is here. Okay. And here there is a SIM 1 and here there is SIM 2. So now just slide it to the left side of our phone here and just wait for connecting into your network 1 and 2, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!